Hello, this is a video to show you how to change the SEO or the description that shows up on Google when you put in your website or your name or whatever has been inputted. I have a client at the moment. When I put her website into the Google search, and probably if I put her name in as well, it will come up with Vanessa Dunleavy's Yoga Vermont, and she wants to change that. So I want to show you how to do that. So it's a good idea to do basic SEO on your Squarespace website, and it's very easy. So when you want to change just the site-wide, so your homepage and what comes up on Google, you go into marketing on your tabs, and then you go into SEO. There we go. So at the moment, I typed in Vanessa Dunleavy, Yoga Vermont, because that's what I thought would be most helpful. And actually, she would like this to be shown. So Vanessa Dunleavy, yoga voice and Thai massage. And there you go. And then there's the site description as well. So you just make sure you save that. And when you type it in, it might take a little bit of time and you might have to clear cache if it's not working. But let's see if it works. Let's see if it's updated it. It might not. Yeah, Google takes a while to update. But within 24 hours to 3 days, it will update that. So it's really good to get your keywords for your website, the things that you want people to search for, the things that you think that people are going to be searching for. And so in this instance, Vanessa does in-person classes in a location. It would be very good for her to mention Vermont and the town that she's in Vermont and the things that she does, because people will be typing in yoga in that town and she will probably be the first that comes up because it's a small town. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and please like and subscribe if you like this video and you want me to show up in your feed. Thank you very much.